Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Toyota Tacoma AC. First, gather your tools, including a manifold gauge set, a can of R134, a refrigerant, and a thermometer. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your engine is completely off before you begin working on the AC system. This ensures a safe and smooth process for everyone involved. Next, locate the low-pressure service port on your Tacoma's AC system. It's typically found on the passenger side, often marked with an L cap. Once located, securely connect the blue hose from your manifold gauge set to this low-pressure port. It's crucial to leave the high-pressure port cap on and avoid connecting anything to it during this process. This prevents damage and ensures correct pressure readings. Now, start your Tacoma's engine and set the AC to its coldest temperature and highest fan speed. Attach the can of R134, a refrigerant, to the yellow hose of your manifold gauge. Slowly open the valve on the refrigerant can, allowing the refrigerant to flow into the low-pressure port. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge, aiming for the recommended range, usually between 30 and 45 psi, to avoid overcharging. After reaching the correct pressure, close the refrigerant can valve and then carefully disconnect the manifold gauge set from the low-pressure port. Replace all service port caps securely. Finally, test your AC system to ensure it's blowing cold air effectively. Listen for any unusual sounds, which could indicate other issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your ride and home in top shape.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.